Son of a...
Hi, my name is Naiya, and I am one of the SURF-REU interns this summer. So I am originally from the University of Montana, and I'm majoring in physics with a focus in astronomy and English literature. So my internship program this summer, my entire time in Florida has been incredible. I have spent a lot of time exploring campus and going to the beach with other interns, seeing wildlife, learning that cockroaches chase people, and honestly, I've been getting great research experience. Our SURF program has also been super generous in sending us to lots of springs. We're going to Kennedy Space Center, so a lot of exciting things with that. But my research has been great this summer. I've been working with Dr. Triana Almeida to model the dusty torus region in active galaxies. And an active galaxy is essentially like it's made by a lot of accretion and a lot of energy being released. More energy than we would expect just based on the amount of starlight. The dusty torus region in the active galaxy is the outermost region, and that's what I'm specifically studying. And its geometry and properties determine what kind of active galaxy we're looking at. So to map these active galaxies, we use a process called reverberation mapping. Essentially, there will be a light emission in the AGN, the active galactic nucleus. Light will travel, hit the dust, there will be a re-emission. And if we measure that time delay, as well as knowing the speed of light, we can calculate that distance. And dust emits in the infrared, so I'm using WISE data this summer. Here's what WISE means. And I am using my mentor's code, TORMAC, which is Dusty Torus Reverberation Mapping Code. And I am essentially taking optical light curves, only one because I'm doing one galaxy, and I am making a bunch of simulated light curves to compare to actual WISE data. I think the most notable parts of my research this summer has been getting to use a supercomputer because we don't have access to that at my home institution. Most recently, my results have been focused on running an MC code called TORMAC Fit, which essentially uses probability distribution to determine which specifically of my parameters best fit the data. Here's what that looks like. So essentially with this, I am looking for Gaussian distributions that will tell me that my parameter is a good fit. And a lot of my most recent runs haven't been giving me great Gaussians, but even the not so great runs tell me how to shift my data and better understand my parameters as a whole. And this has been really great also because this helps me understand what the dusty torus looks like in the active galaxy. So that's been the bulk of my research. And yeah, I want to say thank you to the SURF program for an incredible summer and putting so much emphasis into getting us out and exploring Florida. And I also want to say thank you to the astronomy department and Dr. Triana Almeida for giving me so much research experience. It's been such a great summer. So yeah, thank you guys. And if you are interning here, I hope you have a really great time.